Brush, brush your teeth, morning, night, and in between. Front and back and all around, keep your smile healthy and clean. Up and down and round, brush away the germs you found. Don't forget your tongue and gums, shiny teeth make happy thumbs. Use some toothpaste, not too much, a little dab is just enough. Foamy bubbles everywhere, make brushing fun without a care. 2 minutes long, don't rush at all, brush every tooth, big and small. Sing a song while brushing your teeth, healthy smiles can't be beat. Rinse and spit, the toothpaste gone, wave your toothbrush, sing along. Teeth so shiny, fresh and bright, give everyone a happy sight. Morning, evening, every day, brush your teeth the healthy way. Keep them strong, keep them white, sparkly teeth are pure delight. Now your teeth are clean and neat, all your brushing was a treat. Show your smile to everyone, brushing teeth is lots of fun. Now your teeth are